Good day, everyone. Welcome to Wanies Academy. Our topic for today is plugs and wires. Aim of today's lesson is for you to understand the concept of plugs. Objective of today's lesson is for you to know what plug and wire is, then how plug is structured. Okay, so do you know that in Nigeria, we connect appliances to the main electricity supplying using what we call 3-pin plug? This is what we call 3-pin plug, yeah? So and a length of flex connect this plug to the appliances, and this length is made of smaller wires. We call it 3 wires, which are color-coded. So we have these. The thicker wires are used to carry larger current. This is because a large current will transfer more thermal energy. Thicker power strands will reduce the resistance, which reduce the energy loss, and a thicker plastic casing is provided to keep our users safe. So how does it work? The plug pins are made from brass because brass is a good conductor of electricity and is also durable and resistant to corrosion, while the outer casing of it are made of plastic because plastic is an insulating material. So this is how our plugs looks like. Remember, when you have a plug and you just try to separate all of them, then you see all these there. The first here is the earth wire. This is how the earth wires looks like. Yeah, we have earth wire here. Okay, now remember that this earth wire, sometimes we don't really need it. Yes, here in Nigeria, sometimes we just really remove the earth wire. Why? Yeah, because we just save our own wires. While the live wire is being connected to the fuse here. Why is it connected to the fuse? Because the live wire is the one that carries all the current. Okay, that's why it's being connected to the fuse. It carries the current. It allows the current to flow into our appliances, while the fuse is trying to control how this current is it high current or low current. And we have the last one, which is neutral. This neutral is just to save the live wire. So this is how a plug looks like. So this is a device that connects an electrical appliances or device to a power source, typically a wall socket or outlet. So a plug allows you safely and easily connect and disconnect your appliances from the electric supply. That's when you switch on, then the current is flowing, okay, through the live wire. When you switch off, then it stops, the current stops flowing. So the live wire having a voltage of around 220 to 240 voltage is the most dangerous one. Yeah. As a result of these, fuses and switches are always connected to the live wire. Fuse are always connected to the live wire. This means that when we switch it on, then the current flow through the live wire, but when you switch it off, then the current stops. So the live wire carries most of the power of the circuit, as that's what makes it a dangerous wire. So the neutral wire is much safer. Why? Because it has only closely to 0 volts, though it is not 0 volts, because at least sometimes it can give a little shock. So the neutral wire is much safer than the live wire. The earth wire only carries a current to the ground if there is a fault in the appliances. That's why we have the earth wire, and it has voltage of 0. Yes, it has 0 voltage. That's the earth wire. If there is a little there's a little faulty in the appliances, it will allow this current to go underneath. Okay, that's why we call it earth wire. Thank you. That will be the end of today's class. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Bye. We'll meet in our next class.